Welcome to the ConnectPlaza Constructor Demo. We will show you today how you can easily configure and assemble monitored interfaces and add new integration functionality to your application. In order to use the ConnectPlaza Development Cloud, you first have to log into the platform. Here you see the Constructor workspace. This is where you can configure and drag and drop your connectors. In the menu, you can switch between Constructor and Deploy, as well as log out of your account. Through the widgets, we will keep you up to date with the latest news and developments from ConnectPlaza. Here you can select and create your business connectors. These business connectors will hold your interfaces. Let's take a look at how to build a connector in ConnectPlaza. First, we create a business connector. Business connectors will contain your interfaces. The interfaces of the selected business connectors are displayed here. Right now, we create an interface. An interface is a collection of flows which belong together. They share their resources, error handling, and beans. Last, we create a flow. A flow is a collection of ConnectPlaza components and generally consists of a consumer, any number of services, and producer. When you have created a flow, you can open it by double-clicking the flow. The consumer, service, and producer are called component sections. Within these component sections, you can start to incorporate components. Consumer components are used to retrieve data and put it into your flow. You generally have one consumer component per flow. You can add a consumer by dragging the component you want to the Consumer tab. Let's start by selecting the Open Edge Consumer. Now the component is in the Consumer tab. You can edit its properties by double-clicking the consumer. Service components are used to transform the data in your flow. You can use as many services as you need in your flow. Services are added and edited in the same way as consumers and producers. Producer components are used to output the data at the end of your flow. You generally have one producer component per flow. You can add and edit a producer in the same way as a consumer. The last step we need to take in Constructor is to create a bundle. A bundle is a built interface. A bundle can be installed on your agent with Deploy. ConnectPlaza focuses on connectivity for application partners. ConnectPlaza allows all integration combinations: cloud, SaaS, or on-premise applications with no appliances, no additional software, and no coding. ConnectPlaza offers prefab flexible adapters. ConnectPlaza delivers direct, out-of-the-box integration functionality and adds agility to your applications.